Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a desktop shortcut for shutdown on Windows 10 PC. For this, right click on the free space on the desktop and select new and then shortcut option. In the box, you need to type shutdown a space slash a space s a space slash t a space 0. Here 0 is the timer. After double clicking on this one shortcut, within 0 seconds it will start shut down your PC. In case you want to increase the shutdown timer, you can put here time in seconds. Suppose you want to shut down your PC after double clicking on this one shortcut icon after 10 seconds, then you need to enter here 10. After that, click on this one next button, name it this one shortcut such as shut down, then click on this one finish button. After doing this, a shutdown button will be created, and by double clicking on this one icon you can quickly shut down your Windows PC. In case you want to change its icon, right click on this one shortcut, select this one properties option, then click on this one change icon button. Under this one shortcut tab, then select a icon of your choice. You can also select from your PC by clicking this one browse button. Just click on the browse button and select and navigate from here and select a icon of your choice from your PC and then click on this one OK button. After selecting icon, click on this one OK button. Click on this one apply button. Click on the OK button. Now shortcut icon has been changed. You can also pin to taskbar. For that, right click on the taskbar and first uncheck this one option, lock the taskbar, and then drag this shortcut to the taskbar. This will pin to the taskbar. Just click on this one icon to shut down your PC quickly. In case you want to access shut down with keyboard shortcut, right click on this one shortcut, again go to properties option. In the shortcut tab, under shortcut key, put your cursor and press any letter or number from your keyboard, such as I have pressed 1 on my keyboard, and Windows will add here Control plus Alt automatically. So now my shortcut to shut down my PC is Control Alt plus 1. After this, click on this one apply button, click on the OK button. Now you have two options on the desktop to shut down your PC. You can either click this one taskbar icon or you can use the keyboard shortcut to shut down your PC like this. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.